what I would like to encapsulate is the idea of procurement as horizon scanners. What I'm using there is a metaphor of a ship, and the concept of procurement being uniquely positioned in the crow's nest, looking out onto the horizon for whether it might be land or whether it's a troop of pirates. And I think those are the opportunities and the threats that all organisations will have. It's my view that procurement and the category evolution model has uniquely positioned us as a function to be able to scan the external market and then bring that into the internal ship, as you were. So the corporate ship, looking down onto the corporate ship and saying, what does what's happening out there mean for our categories, for the way we buy, but importantly, for the future of what we do as an organisation. And I think that's been created by two distinct circumstances that are unique to the procurement function. The first is that we have unbelievable access to the external market. So we, unlike any other function, talk to suppliers, we understand what's happening in the market, we understand innovation, and we can bring that in, potentially, if we have the relationships. The other thing is that we, uniquely across the functions, stretch across the entire value chain of our organisations. So irrespective of any industry that you might be in, any type of company that you might operate for, the procurement category expertise is reaching deep into every operation across the world. So if you're a finance organisation or an FMCG or a mining organisation, it's the procurement function category management that understands uniquely everything that your business is doing. And if we can take that category end-to-end value chain view within the procurement organisation and upskill our people to collaborate more internally within procurement, so across categories, at the moment there are quite a lot of category silos, if we could start to collaborate more effectively across categories, the synergies that we could create through understanding what the supply market is doing for our own organisations and the value that we could then bring through enhancing the category model to a more synergistic total package, total solution delivery model, I think would be phenomenal.